Girls, what are you doing? Audrey. Oh no. Look at all that Easter grass. Huh. Did you find the package from Aunt Allison? Yes, you did. Oh no. Nice cheese face. Nice cheese face. Popo, can you give me the cheese face? Let me see a good cheesy face. Oh boy.